Hello everyone, welcome back to another Minecraft video. I'm sure you've all seen the larger than life blocks out there that people have been creating, 16 by 16 blocks. This block, you really can create any kind of block 16 by 16. I've seen crafting tables, even seen a working piston, and this is a working furnace. And once you are smelting, cooking food, the lights will come on and it will look like it's actually working. So here's the inside, and this is a super smelter. There are your hoppers. You throw your stuff, what you want to smelt, in this minecart with a chest hooked up to all these furnaces and hoppers, and all your items will be cooked, smelted, and dropped down into these chests, and they'll just sit and load up. I got 3 of them sitting here. I already got some items in there, but let's see it work. Turn this on to get it going. You turn that on and we start cooking, and all your items are getting smelted. And the whole time that's going on, you can actually see from the outside that we're actually cooking. Lights are on, furnace is going, fire's on, we're cooking. Now the upstairs is just a little different setup. A couple other ideas for a smelter. These are quick little ones that you can do real quick, real easy. You just put whatever you want to smelt in there. Goes down through the hopper, and there you go, and it ends up right there in that chest. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Lights on while it's cooking. And this one over here is something else, just another idea. The minecart runs through. Where'd it go? Oh, I had it on collect. Minecart goes through, drops all its item off through the hoppers into the furnace. Just kind of a similar setup as down below, just a little different. It also goes across those lights to let you know that the top is working. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, as long as you have the resources. And to see the outside, we'll just go on outside and check it out. And there we go. That lets everybody know you're cooking right inside the block. Now, if you want, I can show you how to build this stuff. It's pretty easy. There's a few tutorials online. I'll show you a link to this one right here. This one I got from someone else. I will find the link. I can't remember what his name was, but I will find it and let you know in the description. The rest of this is just some made up design that comes on all the while. This controls the fire down below and the lights at the same time. I can take it apart in detail if you would like, but this is it. This is the super smelting block in Minecraft, the furnace. And here you go. Hope you like it. Leave it a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. See you later. Minecraft. Hello everyone. Everyone, welcome back to another Minecraft video. I'm sure you've all seen back to another Minecraft video.